Hot and latest at Asian World Film Festival. Mga kilig unseen moments ng dalawa.
Neighbors, tell your wife, because if you don't tell your wife, she won't go to bed tonight. And she'll probably throw you out. And tell your enemies, of course, because enemies are, you have to keep them close. Okay? Good night, thank you, and enjoy the movie.
Busy day nga para kina Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards dahil kasalukuyang nasa prestihiyosong awarding sila ng Asian World Film Festival. As usual, Alden and Catherine both look so stunning sa kanilang mga attire. Lutang na lutang naman ang kagandahan ni Catherine sa kanyang light blue turtleneck dress na bagay sa kanyang skin tone.
And he's the head of ASCN Films.
Thank you, George. Hi, Mark. Of course, this is Gina Diaz. Mark Labella. I think the most famous cast member together with Marvin. And of course, Kevin Ryder. And of course, Ethan and Joy themselves. Mr. Alden Richards and Miss Catherine Bernardo. Hey, thank you also to George and all the folks from Asian World Film Festival for inviting us to your closing film. This is such a huge honor for all of us. I hope you enjoy our film. It's not only a continuation of the love.
Sobrang simple lang naman ni Alden at lalong gumapo sa suot nitong dark blue tuxedo. Kasama rin ni Catherine sa pagdalo ang ilan sa mga co-stars nila si Hello Love Again na sina Valerie Concepcion, Ruby Rodriguez at ilabang Pilipino media sa LA. Sobrang nakaka-proud nga sina Alden at Catherine para sa bagong milestone ng kanilang career.